Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah. Good evening, everybody. Well, we're kind of over the hump now, and the way things are going downhill from here, and so is the temperature a little bit. Let me show you what we have here tonight. Here's a picture from Jody C. Tierney, and a cool-looking shot. We're here on the Muscle Shell River as the sun is setting. Oh, nice-looking, pretty picture there. I like this one from Loretta Hurley as well. Just says sunrise, and boy, there's a little bit of dough in that picture as well. Meanwhile, check this out. I like this. Comes from Cassandra Donahue. We're in Thermopolis Hot Springs State Park. You can see some of the, looks like frosty, freezy stuff. That's because of hot springs, and it's a lot of wet, and then it was kind of cool this morning there. Meanwhile, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, we do have 68 degrees and a south wind at about 6 miles per hour under partly cloudy skies. And as you'll see, our high temp today actually topped out at 82. The average high 69, the record 91. The record low is 23, set back in 1984, and the sunset tonight at 7:09. Precipitation, nothing new to add to the total, so we're behind normal for the month and we're behind normal for the year. Need to be at 11.02. We're at 10.28 inches. So yeah, one more good rain shower will get us caught up. But don't see too much of those in the works right now. Maybe later on in a couple of days. But in the meantime, here's what we have tonight. Temps generally into the 50s and 60s out in the west. 50s and 60s across the High Line. We're still 73 degrees over at Livingston right now. 70 at Cody. Of course, here in Billings, we're at 68, 63 at Miles City, and 59 at Glendive. These are reported highs of the day. A lot of 70s, a lot of 80s out here. Anywhere from like Livingston to Billings all the way up towards Glendive. All got into the 80-degree range today. So did Sheridan. But, of course, we had a little bit of smoke. You probably noticed that today. But watch what happens. This thing kicks out of here on Thursday night, and then all of a sudden by Friday, all that stuff is out of here. Got a cold front moving through. It'll clear out the skies, and we're looking at clear skies all the way into and through the weekend. So let's take a look at this stuff. We do have this to talk about. This goes into effect tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, goes till 9 p.m. It is a red flag warning. High winds, high temperature, low humidity will cause erratic fire behavior tomorrow, and could even have some new fire starts across the area that is warned. So be careful with fire out there tomorrow. But tonight, here's what we see. You can see the cloudy skies starting to roll in with the jet stream. Pull back in your next batch of moisture just now starting to come on shore, make its way in towards Oregon and Washington. At the surface, we've got a warm front setting up over us right now. And so as that sets up tonight and into Thursday, we're looking at temperatures really going skyward as we head into the latter part of the week. And then that'll be followed by a cold front on Friday, Thursday night and Friday. And so things will cool down. We'll get some scattered showers and thunderstorms out of it. And that's why we have that red flag warning on Thursday. Then after that, looks like another system starts to try to make its way into the area by sometime next week. But in the meantime, tonight, we're going to cool down into the 50s, in most cases maybe 47 over at, I believe, 47 degrees over here at Harleton. Elsewhere you see 50s across the region with partly cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, back to the 60s, 70s, even 85 degrees in Billings. And then here comes that cold front. And look at the showers moving into the Billings area by Thursday night. Boy, I hope we get some of that. In the meantime, tonight, 57 degrees with partly cloudy skies expected for tomorrow. We'll see that system move through. It'll be 85 degrees with a 30% chance for rain showers. Then on Friday, the cold front comes in. We cool down to 71 for a high with a 20% chance for rain. On Saturday, also a 20% chance for some showers and 70 degrees for the high temperature. On Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all into the 70s. You'll see generally breezy conditions on Sunday, partly cloudy skies Monday, but then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we are talking nothing but sunshine. And that's a look at the weather. Let's go back to Russ.